Peggy 18.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Hello, Granddad. Hello. Dad. Oh, sorry.
We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included.
Look at the size of that book here.
Book now with Jet2 Holidays. Package holidays you can trust. APTRA National Protected.
Wow, what an introduction. Keep watching to find out what myself and my two friends Michael and Elliot got up to when we recently went to Ibiza. Now, this is probably going to be the most unique vlog you've ever watched in your life, because some of the footage was filmed on these. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, or smart sunglasses I should say, which allow me to film in a very unique perspective. As you can see, I'm looking over there, I'm looking over here, and now we go back to the camera. Unbelievable. I'm not going to go into the ins and outs of how they work, because there's plenty of videos on YouTube that'll tell you that, but I will tell you the price. £400 I spent on those bad boys, but in my eyes, money well spent. I think it's a great investment. I'll be able to use them in future, maybe for future vlogs as well. And it is so cool almost to be able to film stuff without getting your phone out. Like, it's just absolutely unbelievable, really. When you do record, one thing I will say is that a little light pulsates, just to let people know that you are actually recording, because it'd be a bit creepy if it didn't. Anyway, enough yapping. Let's get on with the vlog. Day number 1 started at Stansted Airport at roughly 5:10 AM, and once I was past security, there were 3 things on my mind. A large bottle of Captain Morgan's, a large Wetherspoons breakfast, and a lovely little pint of Stella to wash it down. We then boarded our Ryanair flight to Ibiza, and not going to lie to you, I was a little bit nervous because I've heard dodgy things about Ryanair landings. I've never flown Ryanair before, but luckily this flight was pretty chill. The landing was pretty smooth as well, so that was good. And then we got a taxi to our hotel, the infamous Ibiza Rocks Hotel. Infamous for the wrong reasons, let's face it. It's pretty shocking what's happened there recently. And to be honest with you, I wouldn't stay there again, because it's just impossible to sleep. You get in from the club at like 5 or 6 AM, the music starts blaring from 11 AM. It's relentless, it really is. So for that reason, next year when I go, because I probably am going to go next year, I will be booking a quiet hotel, because yeah, it's good for the events, but not good for rest. One thing it is good for though is the food. And this Caesar salad I basically had every single day. Perked me right up after a heavy night. And if you wanted to get away from the loudness of the main pool, there was this quiet area, which was good to chill in during the day. They played some very mellow music, and it aided recovery, let's just say.
Michael, how much did you pay for that? €14. Can you say it again a little bit louder? €14. 14 great European euros. I can't believe that. This is unbelievable, I can't believe it.
That's a sick normal trip.
Mate. That tunnel was ridiculous. Where the hell are we going now? Nah. Hey yo! Yum yum yum. It's like they've never seen bloody water before. What are you splashing around for, you retard? Oh my word! Oh my word! Hello! Hello! Way! Hello, Granddad! Hello! Dad! Oh, sorry. Tell me twice, son. I'm already filming. Where's my phone though? Me not got that. It's up. Alright, let's go. I call it happening. I love this game. Oh my good lord. Look at the size of that fucker. I will do. Can't even get the fucking thingy off. That'll do. Very strong. I think I've made it. Yeah, it has to because I cannot record otherwise.
Otherwise sleep, yeah?
Yeah, and then I might get, arrested in the jailhouse. And we don't want that.
I hope you can practice your Spanish here. Girls, we had a little problem today. There
Oh.
were like 3-4 girls, they only speak Spanish.
Oh, that's why you need me there.
Wish that you were there.
Thank you, my friend, thank you. I try, what can I say?
Boys, have a nice evening, eh?
And you.
Oh, no, wait. Have a nice afternoon first.
Yeah, and then evening. Primero, la día, y segundo, la noche.
Noche.
Por supuesto, ¿no?
Muy bien.
¿Y tú? Ya. Hasta luego.
Slow down, you're with a person.
No idea what password. I think he's lost in the sauce right now.
A few moments later.
Yum yum. Oh, sorry. Delightful. Off. Size of it, honestly. Look at the size of that fucker. What the fuck? What the helly? Goodness gracious. That's crazy. Takes on a lot of core strength to do that. Goodness me. Get the fuck up. We're going to hide. Let's go. No, I'm Valley. Sorry, Valley. No, 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 no. Soy man. No, no, señor. Señor.
Viagra?
Perdón.
Viagra?
Viagra.
Viagra, Viagra.
No entiendo.
Viagra.
No, no, no.
Fuck this lady.
Sí, pero I know that I will do a job. Come on.
Thank you.
And you,
You going to cook?
with my friends, con mis amigos.
Uh-huh.
Gracias. Gracias. What? Ben? Kyle. Nice to meet you, bro.
Where you from?
London.
London?
Yeah.
Sheffield?
Oh, nice one. I've got a mate that has family in Sheffield. Yeah.
Small world, bro, all the time.
100%. That's the one. We leave next Wednesday.
Same,
Yeah.
man.
Oh, bless. How long you been here for?
We came on Friday morning.
Oh,
Yeah,
sweet.
like early morning. We leave like, what, Tuesday night we leave.
Yeah, okay, got it. Fair play.
First time here though.
Swear? Yeah, same, to be fair.
Where have you been?
We've been to...
I guess we'll never know.
Stubby's in the shot.
By the time you have the next part, the fault shall be within you. The fault shall be within you.
Because we are your friends, you'll never be alone again. Come on, oh come on, oh come on, oh come on. Because
Oh! Secure... Recording!
Sorry, that was crazy.
It can't go on like this, can it?
This is day 5 and we're struggling. We are struggling.
We are.
It's hard work.
It can.
What about you? Ooh, I want to know. I got you on record.
Dear Lord.
Crazy. I've never actually experienced that sort of atmosphere again before. It's absolutely electric, the passion.
By this point, all three of us were absolutely cream crackered. So we decided to have a very nice, chilled evening at Cafe Mambo. I had a lovely medium rare steak, and then we looked at the sunset. It was a bit of a rubbish sunset actually. It was almost overcast, it was a bit foggy, a bit strange. Night number 7 only has one photo, and it's this. Pause it if you like, it's absolute gobbledygook as far as I'm concerned. And then before we knew it, it was time to fly home. Wow, where we were. What a holiday, what a debut. Couldn't have gone much better. Maybe a little bit less drinking and more talking to the camera. But next year I will be back in Ibiza, of course, and I will hope to do a bigger, better vlog. A little bit more detailed in parts. Thank you very much for watching. If you see me look to my left, I'm trying to sync up the audio with this clip. It's not going too well right now because I'm running out of time. Thank you to Elliot for basically booking everything on this holiday. Much appreciated, sir. Thank you to Michael for bringing the good vibes every single day. Top man. If you have any questions about what you've seen, or if you want to know anything, let me know. And on a final note, if you like FIFA/FC, I uploaded a little bit last year. I'm thinking about doing another series, and it might include a bald man. See you later.
Bye, have a great time.